welcome to Shoes of Hollywood. My name is Shayla and I'm back again today to try on our 6-inch Pleaser Delights. These ones are in red. They are brand new. They only came out last week. They come in a range of different colours: pink, black, burgundy, and of course the red. These ones are in a size 6, and as you can see, the top of them is all elastic. So these are more going out shoes than dancing heels, if you will. And so we're just going to try these ones on for you and see how they go. They're a little tricky, only because of all the elastic on top, but definitely keeps you in place better and you're a lot less likely to fall over in these, I feel. Straighten up. Get your toesies in. Definitely feel quite stable in these ones. A lot of support with the elastic. Side view. Switch it up. Let's test these on some harder terrain. Now, the walk was great, though I feel I would probably have been better in maybe a size 5 instead of a 6, as these seem just a little bit big for me, but overall very comfortable and easy to walk in. Again, these ones are just 6 inches, very easy to walk in. I don't know how sizes upwards from 6 would go, but I think potentially if you do want to get these, go a size down. Again, these come in multiple different colours, the red, the burgundy, the pink and the black. Again, elastic, very supportive, very stylish, more going out shoes than anything. And yeah, so that's all for this one. If you'd like to see more reviews, don't forget to hit the little bell in the corner for notifications. Remember to subscribe and like the video if you want to see more. Thank you.